A good Dalmatian is a dependable, dignified gentleman, yet high-spirited and playful. Unfortunately, there are a good number of poorly bred Dalmatians around, mostly produced when unknowledgeable pet owners watch the 101 Dalmatians movie and think it might be fun to make spotted puppies and sell them for big bucks. These poorly bred pups often end up with serious temperament flaws. In addition, even a good Dalmatian needs plenty of exercise and companionship. Too much confinement, especially without the companionship of his family, and too little mental stimulation lead to boredom, hyperactivity, and destructive behaviors. This athletic, vigorous dog has great endurance and a working heritage and should be taken jogging, hiking, or biking on a regular basis, or otherwise allowed to romp in a safe, enclosed area. Challenging canine activities such as advanced obedience and agility, obstacle course, are also highly recommended. Some Dalmatians greet strangers with enthusiastic jumping, while others are politely reserved. Some have mild protective instincts. Unfortunately, skittishness and/or aggression are seen in some lines, and plenty of socialization is required to promote a stable temperament. Usually good with other family pets, the Dalmatian is especially fond of horses. This breed is an independent thinker, but in the right hands is capable of learning and doing anything. Owners who don't understand the necessity of leadership or training will find him an impossible handful. Dalmatian pros. 1. A loyal watchdog. Dalmatians are alert dogs that are effective watchdogs for the family home. 2. Low-maintenance grooming. Despite having a beautiful coat, Dalmatians require a very simple grooming routine. 3. An energetic nature. Dalmatians are high-energy dogs, so they make great companions for people who love to get outdoors and run around. The breed is people-oriented, intelligent, and loyal. They can be rather dignified when the occasion calls for it. And on the other side of the coin, they can easily play the clown while at home. Dalmatians like learning new tricks, and they can do well with the older kids. They may be a bit boisterous for toddlers and infants. All of these interactions require supervision. Dalmatians have been known for their speed and endurance. They also have a protective nature. These very traits can also be challenging. The energy required for any dog to be able to follow a wagon or carriage drawn by a horse for miles ends up coming out as anxiety or boredom or restlessness when that dog isn't given sufficient exercise regularly. That restlessness ends up becoming a dog that gets destructive. Although they were developed and had a natural attraction to horses, if they are not socialized correctly as puppies, Dalmatians can be aggressive towards other dogs, especially dogs of the same sex. 4. Comical. 5. Eager to please. 6. Excels in obedience/agility trials. 7. Exceptional stamina. 8. Extremely adaptable. 9. Fairly easily trained. It's essential to have a daily routine with your dog that will help eliminate pee accidents. Take your Dalmatian outside prior to going to work and then again once you arrive home. And then again before you turn in for the night. A consistent schedule allows your dog to have more control when you're not available to take them outside. Dalmatians will feel more comfortable when there is a daily routine. But it could take up to 6 months to develop a habit. And once your Dalmatian is trained, you'll want to maintain that routine if you want to keep your pooch happy. 10. Fun-loving. 11. Good watchdog abilities. 12. Intelligent. 13. Self-cleaning. The Dalmatian has a smooth short coat that is surprisingly dirt-resistant. This breed typically requires bathing only occasionally, as frequent bathing may dry their skin or cause allergic skin reactions. To maintain their elegant and glossy appearance, regular brushing is a necessity. A rubber curry comb or bristle brush or even a pumice stone will work well to remove dead fur and should be done several times a week. That will keep your pet coat looking good. Dalmatians' ears hang down. And it's critical to keep the ears clean and dry to prevent bacteria, fungal infections, or a buildup of earwax. Debris can cause infections and should be removed as soon as possible. Teeth should be brushed at least several times a week, preferably daily. And nails should be clipped or ground down monthly if they do not wear down naturally. 14. Socializes well with kids. 15. Sensitive. 16. Socializes well with other pets. 17. Strong work ethic. 18. Is medium to large and built like a sleek athlete. 19. Has a short, easy-to-brush coat. 20. Thrives on vigorous exercise and interactive family activities. 21. Is usually polite with everyone. Dalmatian cons. 1. Frequent shedding. These dogs shed frequently, which can result in a lot of vacuuming around the house. 2. Shyness. A Dalmatian that has not been socialized can be shy around unfamiliar people. One of the most important facts to remember is socialization is key to helping them feel more at ease. 3. Deafness. This breed is prone to deafness. 4. Destructive and barker if bored. 5. Independent thinker. 6. Frequent shedder. 7. Bounciness. 8. Hereditary deafness is common. 9. High exercise needs. Dalmatians love walking, jogging, and fetching. If you have an active lifestyle and want a dog that can accompany you during outdoor activities, a Dalmatian could be the breed for you. If possible, you should take your Dalmatian out on walks daily, preferably spinning at least an hour total or more per day. And, the more, the better. Dalmatians can certainly play in a yard if it's fenced. However, these dogs tend to run away if left unattended. So you should ensure that your Dalmatian can't jump over the fence, crawl under it, or knock it down. If a Dalmatian doesn't get enough exercise, they can become depressed or even angry. If you don't get them out on their walk, then they may get aggressive. If you don't have the time or don't want to spend time with your dog outside, you should consider getting another breed. 10. Highly energetic when young. 11. Not suitable for apartment living. 12. Numerous health issues. 13. Stubborn and strong-willed. 14. Rowdiness and exuberant jumping, especially when young or not exercised enough. 15. Destructiveness and barking when left alone too much. 16. Aggression or fearfulness in some lines, or when not socialized enough. 17. Stubbornness, requiring a confident owner who can take charge. 18. Constant shedding, 365 days a year. 19. Serious health issues. Final thoughts. Potential Dalmatian dog owners need to be aware of some pros and cons associated with owning this large dog breed. This breed is suitable for active families, as Dalmatians have a lot of energy to spend. Dalmatian dogs are ideal for people who like to jog with a dog or even go for a bike ride with a pet. Dalmatians have lots of endurance and energy to spend during the day, making this breed a good playmate for active kids. Other pros of owning a Dalmatian include the breed's innate affinity with horses. Dalmatians are also good with other dogs and pets. Cons of owning a Dalmatian include the dog's endless energy. Only people who can provide a Dalmatian with long daily walks and plenty of running space should consider this breed. Dalmatians need an access to exercise areas so that the dog can release some energy during the day. Otherwise, behavior issues tend to develop if the dog doesn't get the needed amount of exercise. Other disadvantages to owning a Dalmatian include the fact that this breed is difficult to train. The independent temperament of a Dalmatian dog makes training this breed a challenge, especially for novice dog owners. Other cons include Dalmatian's stubborn temperament, and this breed can be a lot of work during the first year or two, while the dog is learning basics of good behavior. A high percentage of Dalmatians are born deaf in comparison to many other dog breeds, which is another disadvantage. With children, Dalmatians are a highly intelligent breed and eager to please their owner. They're also willing to learn. They can be excellent companions for older children, however, they may be too boisterous for toddlers and infants. Canines are wonderful. However, remember that they are animals. Never allow your young child to play with any dog without supervision. With strangers, some Dalmatians may greet strangers while jumping enthusiastically. Other Dalmatians having protective instincts will be reserved when meeting strangers. Unfortunately, aggression or skittishness will appear in some lines, and lots of socialization will be required to obtain a stable temperament. With other pets, Dalmatians overall are good with pets. They are particularly good with farm animals, and quite fond of horses. Conclusion: the Dalmatian breed has been around for centuries. It's been used for several activities: coach and carriage guarding, herding, retrieving, circus performer, and numerous other roles. This is a versatile, intelligent breed that is a good fit for active families that are willing to meet Dalmatians' high requirements for exercise. Are you thinking about getting a Dalmatian? Let us know what you decide in the comments below. And if you know someone who's thinking about getting a Dalmatian, please share this with them. If you liked this video, check out our website. The link is in the description of this video. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.